Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's do a follow-up of last week's TA with the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I'm also gonna do BNB and SXP this time, since I think they're both very interesting. First things first, Bitcoin opened today very good. It's also a new weekly open, which we had a very weird candle. It's almost a doji, but it's almost a doji candle, not 100%. Yeah, this day is very good, makes the weekly very interesting to me at least. Probably if you're looking at horizontals, right, this is the first big horizontal resistance area, which a lot of people are gonna look to short. Then let's go to some waves, right? This is still, I think, 1, 2, 3, still on the third wave. We could still see a rejection. It's all gonna depend on this. If you can break 140 $1,140. If you can go past that, then it's probably in a third wave. If not, I'm still expecting a lot of people to short right here because it's a very good short area. Lines up with horizontals, 705, 382 extension, and 0.5 fib of this range. Basically, the 0.5 is interesting because, right, if this would be an ABC, and then this can be zigzag, something like this, which have a 535 or 335, and the minimum retracement of that is a 0.5 Fibonacci of the first leg. So that's very interesting. I mean, I'm still at least I'm expecting this range to be touched, right? 11,160, 11,150. Short term wise, right, we had the rejection at the 1-1 first and then crawled around it and then broke it slowly and then dumped, and now it's going for this one right here. If you can break this one, then I'm probably expecting the 2-1, which, I mean, if we go down like something like this, that would line up with the 2-1 and with the 11,150 range, maybe a wick above, we'll see. Yeah, short term look very good if you can break. I mean, probably gonna go to 11,160 or like 30, 60, 70, something like that. Ethereum looks very good, right? We bounced off the 2-1. It looks like we're going back up again. Ethereum, this daily looks worse than Bitcoin, but like I'm still liking it a lot, since this technically could be the start of a new impulse wave up, which this would be the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which leading first wave diagonal, and now you have the 2, right? You got the 2, and then 3 could be. I'm expecting 3 to be around here, something like between these two, and then 4, 5, something like that. So if you can go to 1.618, that would confirm a third wave, and then we have a fourth and then a fifth. Yeah, I'm still expecting it to hit this mainly because, I mean, this looks very clean for a bounce. At least if Bitcoin doesn't shit itself, we're probably gonna test this range. Elder Force, MACD, MACD not really anything interesting in my opinion. Daily is about to cross over, but could still see a rejection. So you're gonna have to wait for that. BNB, very interesting coin. Right, if you look, I mean, it's almost in overbought territory. It's not even in 80 zones yet on the 12-hour, 4-hour diverged. Daily also not in the 80 zone. Elliott wave wise, I mean, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then fifth wave. Here we see a 1, 2, 3. It's hard to determine the third wave because this is actually this should be, I mean, this is the 1.618 extension of wave 1, right? So your wave, I mean, you would target wave 3 here, but as we can see, right, if this is a 1, 2, then the 3 is still somewhere to be made. Could stop right here, and then 4 and then 5 again up, and then it would be the third wave, and then 4 and then 5. Yeah, like if you're not in, I wouldn't buy here, just wait for the dip, right? You just target from high to low, fib like this, and then you would target 618. And if it keeps going, you just move your fib up, right? If it goes to here, you just move your fib and then place your buy order right here. So yeah, BNB is very good. I bought it around 18 on FTX, so that's pretty good. And then SXP looks interesting. It's a very shit coin, I know. It's got a lot of people, me too. Very shitty coin. Yeah, you can see right, falling wedge. We have this large falling wedge, and then it breaks, and then it goes sideways, and then it pumps. I mean, it still looks very decent. RR wise, I mean, like stop loss below here. You could target anything like $3. Still looks very good in my opinion. Daily doesn't really show anything other than people buying more than, I mean, people buying a lot, and then yeah, not really any, like you could target if you like this. These waves are so weird because I thought this was 1, 2, 3 and then 4 and then 5, but like this just completely cooked. It's completely cooked. I mean, if you're absolute greed lord, then you could target $9. But yeah, I'm still expecting some upside action of SXP. I had a lot of bag holders here, they're pretty wrecked now. So I think it's gonna go up. Sushi also looks very interesting in my opinion. Right, I know that it's like special coin, but I mean this is just pretty good price action in my opinion, right? Something like this. Right, you have a pump, you have consolidation, and then could see another pump. I mean, could just see pump from here, could do a fake out or just nope. But yeah, we're gonna have to wait and see. Still looks pretty good RR wise. Right, I mean for our side, you can't say anything about this. Still looks decent to me. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today. I can show this one too. I mean, this one is still alright, so far away. But this line is also gonna be very interesting to test. So yeah, 11,130, and if we break that, and it's gonna be this diagonal line at 12k, something like 12k would be an interesting target. So yeah, that's gonna be it for me. Thanks for watching. If you're still here, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.